Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials: a working phone number and the Wechat app on your device. Once done, open Wechat and choose Sign Up with Phone. Provide your number, tap Get Verification Code, and enter the SMS code. If asked for additional verification, prepare a photo ID and a live selfie. Wechat uses these to validate identity instead of a QR. Make sure permissions for SMS, camera, and contacts are enabled so the app can complete the next steps smoothly. Next, you handle the more detailed verification flow. When Wechat asks, follow prompts for phone confirmation, then choose a verification path: self-service ID check or friend verification. If you select Friend Verify, pick a trusted contact already on Wechat to approve you. If you're asked for a selfie and ID, align your face with on-screen guides and upload the requested document. Remember why. These steps replace QR scanning by proving you're a real person and linking your number to a verified account. Finally, secure and finish your account setup. Create a strong password, complete your profile, and turn on two-step verification if available. Then sync or manually add contacts by phone or Wechat ID. If verification fails or your account is temporarily blocked, try friend verification again or use the in-app support help. Be prepared to wait 24 to 72 hours for review. If you hit errors, double-check ID photo clarity and ensure your SMS code was correct before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.